Angelo Street.
Okay, Angelo.
Angelo Street.
All right, so we're here on Angelo Street.
Probably lying.
At least, yeah, at least I think it is. There's like a restaurant right there. I'm not sure what that place is. And we're here by the Fragrant Thai, popular Thai restaurant. Yeah, I wonder where this goes. Right
It
here.
goes all the way down to that little road we take. I don't think when you're in the road bike. I know this road. I can show you when we go back that way.
Yeah,
ZRV. You ever heard of ZRV breakfast?
ZRB breakfast? No, it doesn't ring a bell.
Buffet breakfast. It's got-
ZRB buffet breakfast.
Yeah, they got good. Yeah, they got good.
So we'll check it out. You want?
I rather walk and ride a bike.
You rather walk?
I rather walk and ride a bike. I ride all over, man. We were being at Chris Avenue. We were riding over there by Nepo Mall yesterday.
Well, oh, yesterday you went? Really?
Me and that guy Chris, but I'll tell you, we're gonna
Oh
go
yeah,
ride.
yeah. You said that you were gonna go ride. Yeah. Red Doors Hotel. Oh, it's called the Garden View Hotel. Yeah, so this is exactly what cookie. This is exactly what I wanted to do. Walk the streets, like the back streets like this, and explore. Because was that a ladyboy or
15K, that ain't bad.
15K for this Euro Asia hotel
Damn, I didn't know about the new
right here?
deluxe room 17. You don't bring in that bad usually. Small.
And you know what? It's safer to walk with two people because of, since especially I have the camera, so
Motherfuckers play on the week, man.
yeah. So they prey on the
They
week.
everybody else, like, yeah.
He always have like these funny like sayings.
True, man. They see 2 or 3.
Oh, what's back here? Is this? I wonder if this is where. There's like back here. Yeah.
Got the dead end road.
Yeah. It's like a dead end over there.
Hey, bro, what goes down there? What's down there? This
Yeah.
dead end road? No, nothing much.
It's just so it doesn't lead to much over there.
No, we got
We should go back there. Nah, next time we'll go back there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you want to go back there?
It's probably
Maybe
nothing.
during the daytime more. It's kind of getting dark. I don't feel like fighting, bro.
You don't feel like fighting.
Or running, one or two.
Yeah, man. And this looks like, what does this look like over here to you?
Somebody lives there, I don't know.
Someone might live over there. It's like a squatting area or something.
Yeah, this is that road that that I drive on. Oh no, it's middle. We'll probably have to go that way and go that way.
Oh, there's the Sunlight Lodge too. So there's one on the like Johnny Street, next to Johnny, and then there's this one. Yeah, it's like the Quickie Hotel. I heard it. I heard
There
it.
it is. Check it out. Hello. Super Farmer.
Super Pharma Pharmacy. Sunlight Lodge, Quickie Hotel. Alright, let's check it out. Let's check out the prices in here. We're gonna go check out the prices. And this. Oh, it's closed. Oh, she has to open it.
Wait,
Yeah.
That sounds like a bad place.
Yeah, this is a bad. they have to keep it locked. And we have the famous Sponsored by Sting.
Let me see what I forgot.
This is
This is the vodka right here, man. I'm vodka. I keep saying vodka.
yeah, I was looking at the prices over there.
It's the best gin.
Yeah. That's the famous one.
Yeah, man. I love this gin.
Yeah.
Better than the expensive stuff. I'll be buy the big bottle.
Yeah.
It tastes good, you know.
So you recommend these Stings better than the Cobras, you said, right?
Yeah. Better than Cobra.
Yeah.
All right, hey, thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
Bye. You too.
Hey, see how much it costs. See how much it costs for 3 hours. So 3 hours for 290. I mean 190. 290. Okay.
3 hours for
3 hours for 290.
3 hours for 290 pesos.
Yeah.
At the Sunlight Lodge.
Okay. All right, boss. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Not bad.
3 hours for that's like about $6 almost, like US.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. $2.79 for like a buffet.
Yeah, for a buffet.
Oh, that's not bad. It's
Yeah,
cheap.
yeah, it's pretty good. And like I said, man, I got burned out, man. I come eat like 8 or 9 pancakes. Boom, 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 boom.
So this is the candy, one of the candy plate towers. Candy Tower 3. That's what it is. Yeah. I was here at night, I remember, this place. And then I think there's some condos back on the street, like over there or something like that.
Oh, you want my bike? Oh, the big loop, man. Go that way, go around.
Yeah.
That way, my bike. You need to rent a bike one day. We'll ride there, man. So,
Hell yeah.
350 for one day.
$3.50 for one day.
Yeah, you like it. You want to get a bike.
Well, that could be 3 beers or and 1 water at the. Oh, here's like a little Canaderia where it's some kind of restaurant. Oh, it's Nuat Thai. So it's a little Thai restaurant. It's pretty busy in there. Must be pretty good. It's right there. It's got a little balcony on it. How much? That's maybe one of those 2 to 5K places or something like that.
Yeah, 2 to 5. Yeah, more of the low side.
Yeah. but your place is not bad for 7.5.
My place is the best for the price.
Your place is the best for the price.
There's a lot of openings too. There's like about 6 rooms.
Got the Candy Palace right here. So many massage places over here.
24 hours. 300.
A little eating place.
Looking around, like,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, it's struggling.
Place right here. Some little clothes over here. I want to wear one of these.
150 on the shirt.
Only 150.
Yeah.
Go, man. I'll hold the camera.
I'm just looking what they have over here.
Come
yeah.
later.
Yeah, I'll come here later. Little clothes. Like, what is this? Is this a food place, or is this like a? Is this like a food place, or is this like a? So is it like a Canaderia? Something like that? Okay.
Oh,
we have some fish over here from the fish market. Where does this fish come from? Where? Where do you catch this fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, like in the ocean or the river?
The river.
Oh, the river? Over here?
Yeah.
Around here? Around here? Okay. So they catch this from the river, guys. See the sand. Thank you, Bill. Some clothes over here. Those street clothes. Is this new or second hand?
Probably second hand.
Yeah, probably second hand, but it looks clean
But it
though.
looks good.
Yeah, it looks
like
clean.
good enough, right?
Looks like it's in good shape.
Was you here?
250 a pop.
Later it is, like 4 a.m. Right? Yeah.
I always shut off.
Keep it going, man.
I know. I always shut it off when and then girls go by. I'm like, oh man.
I was going on this road.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. This is the road that you want to be. Keep the camera on. You ever try this place over here?
Right here?
Yeah, this place.
Yeah, I don't got anything. Me and Maria were here, and we were drinking here really nice when we first got here. And then we came during the daytime, and we want to charge your daughter for a small Coke. I'm like, why are you charging $1, man? That much. And the lady got attitude.
She got it.
I'm like, man, fuck yeah. Maria got mad with top sister, and they were fighting. She was just talking to Maria. So we never went back.
If they catch the attitude, they never go there.
Yeah.
Did you try?
It's all right place.
Did you try? It's a little bit expensive for like the beers and stuff, but did you try the 69 bar, like the rooftop bar?
I heard of it, but I don't know where it's at.
I was right by the Uncle John's back there. It's like right next to there. Well, is that Uncle John's behind us that we passed? It's
Sounds familiar, but I don't know.
sounds familiar. So your bike's here, and then I'm gonna just head down that way through Jasper Park. Yeah, I'm across the street. Oh yeah.
Never know, man.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Yeah.